Welcome to PrimePix Lab. The best amp wiring kit is probably one of the most crucial components for any car audio enthusiast looking to upgrade their sound system. This kit ensures your amplifier receives the necessary power to deliver clear, powerful audio without damaging your vehicle's electrical system. We'll dive into what makes a great wiring kit and how to choose the right one for your 1000-watt amplifier, so you can enjoy your music to the fullest. Number 5. 4-gauge CCA 1000W Amplifier Wiring Kit. This amplifier wiring kit is engineered for high-powered car audio systems. It can effortlessly manage up to 1000W, delivering a powerful and immersive sound experience. This makes your drive more enjoyable. Crafted from premium copper-clad aluminum, this kit offers excellent conductivity and long-term durability. It ensures consistent audio performance, perfect for both audiophiles and everyday users. With 20-foot power and ground cables, this kit allows for flexible, custom installation. It adapts to your vehicle's layout with ease, ensuring a clean setup and optimal power delivery to your audio components. Good plated ring and spade terminals provide superior conductivity and resist corrosion. These high-quality connectors ensure a secure and long-lasting connection, maintaining sound quality over time. This kit includes everything you need for a complete amp setup. It comes with power and ground cables, speaker wire, RCA cable, remote wire, fuse holder, and terminals. It simplifies installation and maximizes audio output. What we like. This kit is engineered to handle up to 1000W, ensuring your system delivers powerful, immersive sound. The extended cable length offers flexibility for custom installations. If you are looking for a kit that can handle high-powered audio systems and offers flexible installation options, this is the one for you. What people say. OFC wire is good quality. Comes with extra connectors. Great kit, exactly what I needed. Number 4. Complete 1000W Gravity 8-gauge Amplifier Wiring Kit. This kit is designed for both professional installers and DIY enthusiasts. It includes everything you need to get the amplifier up and running quickly. You'll be enjoying your upgraded sound system in no time. The kit features a high-quality, thick 17-foot 8-gauge power cable. This ensures a strong and reliable power supply to the amplifier. It's built to handle the demands of your audio system. Included is a premium 3-foot 8-gauge ground cable, along with an inline AGU fuse holder and both 40A and 60A fuses. This provides a safe and secure ground connection. It protects the amplifier from potential electrical issues. Experience true sound with the included 17-foot double-shielded RCA cable. This cable minimizes interference and delivers a clean audio signal. It ensures the best possible sound quality from your system. The kit also includes a 17-foot turn-on cable and 20 feet of speaker wire. All necessary accessories and terminals are provided. It's perfect for any car, truck, motorcycle, RV, or ATV. What we like. It includes high-quality cables and all necessary accessories, making installation straightforward. This kit is perfect for various vehicles, from cars and trucks to motorcycles and RVs. If you are a DIY enthusiast or installer working on different types of vehicles, this kit provides everything you need. What people say. These cables are insanely easy to work with, they are flexible and don't keep their memory, which makes them easy to work with and get in the right place. Complete setup. Installed car amplifier. Exactly what I needed. Great product. Number 3. InstallGear 4-gauge amp wiring kit. Tired of weak sound? This kit is designed to give your amplifier the power it needs. It includes everything you need for a professional installation. The kit features 17 feet of 4-gauge red oxygen-free copper power wire. This ensures maximum power transfer to your amplifier, delivering clean and clear audio. It also includes 3 feet of 4-gauge black oxygen-free copper ground wire, plus a 17 feet 2-channel RCA cable with a built-in remote wire for easy setup. The kit comes with 17 feet of 14-gauge speaker wire. This allows you to connect your speakers to your amplifier with high-quality, reliable connections. The InstallGear kit includes a mini ANL fuse holder with fuse, tinned copper lugs, remote wire, a rubber grommet, and zip ties. It's a complete package for a seamless installation. What we like. The kit features oxygen-free copper wires, ensuring optimal signal transfer and sound quality. The inclusion of a mini ANL fuse holder and various accessories simplifies the installation process. If you like superior sound quality and a hassle-free installation experience, this kit is a great choice. What people say. The wire is flexible and of good quality. The fuse holder includes a sufficiently sized fuse, I believe it was 120A, for running anything you would want to run off a 4GA wire. If you want great quality, true spec, OFC, soft jacket, easy to pull wire, this is for you. Number 2. Skar Audio Skar 4ANL CCA 4-gauge amplifier wiring kit. This is a complete 4-gauge amplifier wiring installation kit from Skar Audio. It's designed to make installing your amplifier easy and efficient. This kit has everything you need to get started. The kit features copper-clad aluminum wiring. This provides excellent conductivity for your audio system. It ensures that the power flows smoothly to your amplifier. This kit is perfect for systems up to 1200 watts. It includes all the necessary components to handle the power demands of your amplifier. It's a great choice for a variety of setups. The kit comes with a 2-channel RCA interconnect cable. This cable is essential for connecting your head unit to your amplifier. It ensures a clean and reliable signal transfer. It includes a 17-foot matte blue power cable and a 3-foot matte brown ground cable. These cables are made with MaxFlex technology for easy installation. They are durable and reliable. An inline ANL fuse holder and a 100-amp ANL fuse are included. This provides essential protection for your amplifier and your vehicle's electrical system. It ensures safety and prevents damage. The kit also includes 20 feet of 16-gauge matte blue multistrand speaker wire. This wire is designed to deliver clear and crisp audio to your speakers. It's easy to work with and provides excellent performance. What we like. This kit includes a 2-channel RCA interconnect cable, perfect for connecting your amplifier to your head unit. The kit also includes all the necessary accessories for a complete installation. If you are looking for a kit that provides all the essentials for a clean and effective setup, this is the one for you. What people say. Used in a Mustang and in a Ranger for subs, and this kit works great. Got everything you need for either a speaker amp setup or a subwoofer setup. Comes complete with everything I needed, and I even have extra cable left. Great price for a pretty inclusive kit. I'm glad I went with this 17 kit rather than the 14 kit I almost bought. If I had bought the 14-foot, it would have been too short. I installed it in a 2005 Escalade short wheelbase for reference, and power wire, remote wire and RCAs all reach to the back. Also, I checked several reviews of competing sellers' kits, and a lot of them have smaller gauged wire than advertised. Read the reviews, so be aware of that. These wires seem true to size. Number 1. Crunch PX 1000.22 channel car stereo amplifier. Introducing the Crunch PX 1000.2 amplifier. This powerful amplifier is designed to bring your music to life. It delivers impressive performance for an immersive audio experience. At 2 ohms, this amplifier pumps out a massive 500 watts per channel. It ensures that the speakers receive the power they need. This results in clear, loud, and distortion-free audio. For a different setup, it provides 250 watts per channel at 4 ohms. This flexibility allows you to configure your system to your specific needs. It's perfect for a variety of speaker setups. Need even more power? This amplifier can be bridged to deliver a staggering 1000 watts at 4 ohms. This is ideal for powering a subwoofer or a high-powered speaker system. It ensures a deep, rich bass response. Upgrade your car audio with the Crunch PX 1000.2. It's designed to deliver exceptional sound quality and power. Get ready to enjoy your music like never before. What we like. This package includes a 2-channel amplifier capable of delivering up to 1000 watts of power. It provides a complete solution with all the necessary components for a full audio upgrade. If you like a complete package that includes the amplifier, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. It gives me a nice clean all-around smooth bass sound to where the amp does not run hot at all and I can only turn my deck up halfway. Also, I did use the Boss amp wiring kit that was recommended with this purchase and it had everything that I needed to complete this setup. I've had this in for about 2 years. I forgot all about it. Works great. Just make sure you have it grounded properly so it doesn't heat up. This was totally worth the money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.